our hot banana pancakes are 2 eggs, 2 medium-sized bananas, half cup of oats. You can use any oat. I'm using normal oat here. This is 1/4 cup of coconut milk. It is not even full. This is 1 tablespoon of raisins mixed with crunched almond, half tablespoon of honey. Then here we have 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/4 spoon of ginger, garlic, and onion powder, and here we have 0.62 ml, just a little bit of salt. So that's what we need. So we're going to start the hot banana pancake now, as I have shown how what the things we need. So now I'll go ahead and mix it up. What I'm going to do is I'm just go ahead and mash my bananas. So if you don't have this, you can use fake. Now I'm done mashing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my eggs to it. Okay. Add my eggs and then I use my fork to just give it a stir. Then adding my onion. Give it this stir as well. And so after this, I'm going to add in my oats. Then my milk as well, and also my raisins mixed with crushed almond. So I didn't add cinnamon to this, so I just made it just okay. So in case you don't have cinnamon, you don't have to worry yourself. This is made without cinnamon. Okay. I'm going to then turn off my stove. Okay. Turn my stove to hide in my pot. So now I'm going to add in 1 spoon fish. The porridge should allow it to cook through properly before you flip it over. It's as simple as that. But when you're flipping, make sure that the mixture is already cooked through. You can see those holes. You can see those holes. When you have much of them, that means it's properly cooked through. Then it won't scatter off. Alright, you can see what I mean by allowing to cook through. When I flip it now, see those holes, that means they are properly cooked through. The issue many people have with oats banana pancake is that they don't allow this to happen. They don't allow it to cook through, so they always have issues with their banana pancake. So their oats banana pancake, so they always complain that it's scattered each time they make it. So if you can do this, follow these procedures, allow it to cook through before flipping over. you will see that it will always turn out well. Okay, so let's make the remaining batter. So this remaining batter, we have this remaining batter here. So I'll make this now and show you the outcome. So this is what we got when we finish our pancake. So this is what it will look like. Remember, I told you that whenever you're making your banana oat pancake, you should always allow it to cook through, so you have like something like this dirt when you're cooking your banana oat pancake, so it doesn't fall and scatter like this. So you don't have it scattered like this one, but you have it exactly like this. Okay, so that is what I have for you today. Enjoy your oat banana pancake for breakfast, and as well, don't forget to share some with your kids, because they won't allow you to go a day without buying banana again when they taste this recipe. Those are the most delicious oat banana recipe have come about. So try this, enjoy it, and keep living in health, to your goal, to your health, to your optimum health. My name is still Mary Matt, and I talk health. Thank you.